has a beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
A lot of mountains, just like
It's
Eastern Africa. A lot of mountains.
Yeah.
Just like Eastern Africa.
Yeah. In Canton, you have a lot of
mountains. Yeah, my area, where I'm coming from.
Okay, you come from Dakar?
No, Ghana.
Ghana, the capital.
Accra.
Accra, yeah.
Yes.
Accra. Dakar was Senegal.
Yeah, Dakar is Senegal. How long have you been in Norway?
I live in Norway 9 years.
9 years? Wow.
Canadian Skogen, they say they call it Canadian Skog. Skog means forest or not, what English?
Which school?
Skog is what they call it.
Is it the mountains?
Like this tree or this area, Skog in English.
Okay, that's why in the plane, you know, I saw a lot of old women.
They have 5 million, but they big in every place. They go. So, yeah,
oh, okay. They
this
are
why
dispersed.
yeah.
Oh,
Dispersed, yeah.
oh, okay.
All the country. Yeah.
Wow. Are we getting closer to the hotel?
Hotel is not so far. Yeah.
Okay.
It's this way.
Oh, okay. Oh, the city is too quiet for me.
Yeah.
Too quiet. What?
You live in China. China is there.
Yeah,
That's
very,
why-
very populated. You know,
Yes.
I live in Hong Kong, and
Yeah.
Hong Kong is a small city, but a lot of people. So
Yeah.
wherever you go, there are so many people.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
You see hotel now or Wisdom?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, I see.